Welcome everyone to our live streaming. Let's have a sip of holy water before we start our live streaming for today. Axilla is pumping in pre-market, 40% up. Look with me closely. So the top gainer for today is Axilla, 45% with 83 million worth of volume. What a crazy pump for Axilla. TRKA is still testing our resistance. The 47 yesterday. MTC. So we have three stocks that we should watch. Axilla, which pumping now from this flag. As you can see here, we have confirmed a breakout from this flag now. Finally, we have confirmed a breakout. Let me just adjust this. Perfect breakout for Axilla. Now we're gonna have a reaction for the price for Axilla. Let us hunt for Axilla for today. We might see a test at the moment around the 77. Yeah, around this area, 76 should be a rejection area. Let me just check how much we can do. Another 10%. Yeah. So Axilla finally jumping. Axilla finally jumping. We got the support and we got a resistance and profit taken. Let us adjust everything and be ready to hunt for today's market. Yesterday was a great day. We hunted for TRKA. Let me just put it here. We already hunted for yesterday and we already did chart analysis for it. When we spotted this huge pump from the 41, price got rejected right around our level of resistance. The 47, as we said, and the price went down. You see what's happened here? Price got rejected, went down. And guess what? Now we're retesting this important breakout zone. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Axilla is ribbon. Axilla is ribbon. Exactly. We watching Axilla. Axilla, TRKA, and MTC. Both of the three of them are jumping. Look at this. Really funny here. We have this price action for this stock. Let me just close up. 37.37. We got 37.37 for this stock. Really crazy movement for Axilla or MTC. 37.39 and today pre-market 37.97. Yes. Cheers, my brother Luis. Cheers. Thank you, brother. Really great hunt for Axilla. Let's go. Yeah, today will be a great day for us. We have to be strategic. The market maker are watching Axilla. They're watching Axilla because Axilla is most shorted stock with GameStop and the other stocks. And you see it clearly that the price pumped down and now finally we had a squeeze. You see what's happened? This channel has been trending for a while for Axilla and the price gapped in the pre-market. You see, if this gap happened in the market open, we could have actually catch it, but the price actually jumped from the 59. As we said, this is the level of resistance and breakout zone for Axilla. We watch, Louise, we watch for this one. We're gonna have a test for the 0765. This is the important level to watch out for. 567. This is really a simple number, you know. 5670. We already have a bit of rejection now around the 7, but this is the really important level to test and break out from. Then we're gonna have a huge pump. Let us see how much we can do. Another 35%. But we might see another profit taken here, just in case. The 88, then the 10 cent. 7 cent, 8 cent, and 10 cent. Support is still clear here around the 59 TRKA. Okay, we have a shabby chart here, shabby chart for TRKA. We have a test, price breaking, a test once again. It's kind of dicey here. The 47, we already tested it twice yesterday, but today I don't like this level anymore. Let's check if we have something to watch out from. Yeah, we have a huge price target for TRKA. 55, 58. Let me just check how much we can do from here. 15%, 20%. And the other level, okay, so we have to update our level. We already tested the 47 twice yesterday. Now we have to update it around the 49.95, almost the 50 cents. So the 50 cents should be our breakout zone for today. And the next level to hold, which is the 43 as a support. Let's see if we have a continuation for today for TRKA. Let me just bring my level. The level is here around the 42, 43, and then the 49. Let's go everybody. Great, Luis, great hunt for Axilla. Yeah, from yesterday, the 5, yeah, you told me about it. The 5, so you're already up 40%. Great hunt. Yeah, 34% now. So watch out, the 59 is kind of the support now we need to hold if we don't want to have a sell-off and fake out to continue to go higher toward the 7 cents should be tested for today. Now we see a bit of selling pressure. This is normal. We might see another 18% when the market open. TRKA, we have updated levels. The 49 should be a breakout zone, support 43. We got MTC. Okay, we already triggered our profit taken, $2.43. Support $1.63, but I don't like this level. We already tested $3. Yeah, the $3 is the breakout zone when the market open. We got some levels, the $4.15 and the $6. But at the time being, we have to clear the $3. Now is a bit consolidating down after this massive pump. And the pre-market is 33. We have to put alert for this one around this level, the $3. Perfect. CDIO. Oh man, if you remember this one, we talked about it yesterday and we catch this pump for CDIO. You see here, we hunted this yesterday and we did chart analysis for it. And we talked about it on here, the day trade. We hunted for CDIO here. You see here, we have the pump from the $3.80. And we said we have profit taken triggered around the $4.25 and the second one around the $5.22. So we did this after our live streaming because always we do update on our lives after we finish our live streaming for potential trade. And this one, guess what? Cleared the $5 and went higher, almost the $9. And we did almost 90% yesterday, over 90%. And now in pre-market is up 10%. I'm watching this one for a continuation toward at least this box. We might have a test for this box between the $9.60 and the $8. This is the massive rejection and selling pressure will happen here for the stock. We're already gapped. You see what's happened yesterday? Boom, huge pump, almost 114%. So I'm watching for a continuation for this stock. Let me just put alert around the support. We might see a pullback for today. Support around the $6.58. If we broke it, we might see a huge selling pressure once again toward the $4.25. Yeah, we have just 15 minutes left to the opening bell. What a crazy pump for this one. Yeah, we have a bit of sign of weakness for this one. We might see a pullback. We might see a pullback. We might see a huge pullback for this one. If we broke the $6.58, we're gonna have a reversal here around the $5.22. Let me just check how much we can do down. Another 26% pullback. Interesting. Interesting. And the bottom for this one I can see is above this level. This should be the bottom. This should be the midway support. And the current support, if we don't want to have a sell-off and continuation for this box, is the $6.58. Already put alert down and up. LHDX. Okay, for this one, gave up. This one went directly around the 65 now. So yeah, didn't hold this level. Let me just put it around the 89 as a resistance. So the resistance now is around this level. We got rejected around the $1.10. So we'll take this off and that off. We have kind of a fake out here. That's why we said the $1.11 should be our level of resistance, and we got tested yesterday and the price got rejected. At the time being, yeah, we got an important level of resistance there, 89, and a support that we should hold is above the 65 if we don't want to have a sell-off. Wow, man, interesting. We have a great setup for today. Great setup. The stocks that we watching for today is, of course, Axilla first. So see with me, we have LHDX. We watching LHDX. If we broke this level, is mean a short opportunity because the price will get shorted. If we held it, we're gonna have a pump toward the 90 cents, which is our resistance now and squeeze area. The other one, we got CDIO, still bumping. Yesterday did 100% and now 10%. We might see a sell-off toward the $5.22 if we broke the $6.58. So there's a shorting opportunity for the stock or reversal here and going toward this box. And here, massive squeeze if we overcome this level. But I prefer to take profit here. Next up, we got MTC pumping in pre-market almost 80%, but we give half of it back. And now we have to test and fill the gap above the $1.63, then breaking the 3 and have a huge squeeze maybe. I'm watching it closely for this one. And then we got TRKA doing all right. We have a new resistance around the 49. So if we broke this level, we be an interesting play for us. And finally, we got Axilla jumping almost 40%. Yeah, almost 39%. And see the volume. Holy moly, 109 million in pre-market. I never see this kind of volume in the pre-market in this year. This is the first time. Trust me, I never see this kind of volume. Usually around the 50, 40. Then the volume will pick up when the market open, of course, over the 200, 300. Some stocks have this current volume. But for Axilla, 109 in pre-market. This is unprecedented before. This is crazy. So this volume, we might have a billion for Axilla for today, or even at least 300 million. Because we already have 110 million worth of volume now. Wow. So we might see a continuation and squeeze for Axilla. I'm watching Axilla. Let's watch Axilla closely. Let's get right to it. We have just 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left. Tesla 7% down. Tesla is going toward the 180. Tesla is going down, guys. Let's check Tesla together. We might see something. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down toward the 180. As we said, because we broke this ascending channel. You see, the first time we close below it, we have confirmation for sell-off. Boom. I think we got this yesterday. Yeah, yesterday after hours. Yesterday after hours. Sneaky bastards. If that happened before the market closed, this was a really important, like a nice short opportunity for Tesla. Price just closed after hours for Tesla. Nvidia. Okay, still holding. Wow, we have many alerts. ABNB hit our scan. Okay, ABNB getting shorted, guys. Getting shorted. We close below an important level of support, the 119. We might see a continuation down. We might see a continuation down for ABNB. Let's hunt for this dip. 110. It's a bit tricky here. We got 3 long Tesla going down. ONCS hit our scan as well. Wow, we got many alerts. Yesterday jumped to 88% and today 33%. ONCS. Oh man, this one should be on our list. This one should be on our list. If you remember, we already talked about yesterday. We said the $1.80 should be our bottom, and the price held and now reversed. We broke from our resistance and we know now holding above it. ONCS, okay, it's pumping. ONCS is pumping now in the pre-market. Abe is going down. Yeah, it's going down. Abe is going down, so I will put alert around the $1.90 as a resistance at the moment. So the support turning to a resistance for Abe around the $1.90 or $1.89, and another alert for Abe for the bottom that we have to reverse from. Let's put it around the $1.65 just for now, but the bottom should be above the $1.50. CDIO looking interesting. It's already on our watch list. TRKA already updated the level. Tesla, yeah, we already updated the levels. So let's get right to it. We have just 3 minutes. 3 minutes for the opening bell. HLBZ going down. So we got this one. We have to add it to our watch list and put it here. So we have this one. Okay, Axilla. Let me just see if we can type Axilla here. We got Axilla, TRKA, MTC not good now, CDIO, and LHDX. Okay, CDIO. We got ONCS, Axilla. Axilla is still okay. Now I will be extremely careful from this level, so I'll turn it to orange, which is a breakout zone. It's not profit taking anymore because we're already near this level, so we might see a rejection and the opening bell testing this 0.76, then going down, then going up once again if we hold the 59. So now we're gonna have a test for this resistance. Watch out. TRKA, we're gonna have a test for this level. And ONCS is still holding this current support. Okay, interesting. We have 2 levels to test for this one. Okay, 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left. Remember that day trading is risky. Don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and always have a strategy. And always trade with money you're willing to risk. Of course, we're gonna watch all the requested stock later, but now we have to watch for the opening bell. Now ONCS is going down, Axilla is going down, TRKA is pumping, CDIO is still holding, and this one we might see a break. Let's see which one we should watch. TRKA and Axilla is going down, of course. So we have TRKA and ONCS at the moment. ONCS, are we gonna have a hold up or a break? If we hold above the $2, we're gonna have a huge pump here. This level should be a really great bounce. ONCS. Let's go in smaller picture and see what's going on here. TRKA, Axilla still holding. I'm gonna have a test for this area once again. Bounce. What's gonna happen here? Huge wick. Buying pressure and selling pressure is neck and neck now around the $2.70. NEO is breaking the support, I think. NEO is going to the health, to the depths. NEO is gonna go toward a new bottom, guys. NEO is bumping down. NEO is shorting. It's getting shorted big time. Yeah, 4%, huge wick. Yeah, NEO, we're gonna have a huge dip now, guys. At least 20%. Okay, we have a pullback for the market. Watch out, guys. Pullback for the market. Huge pullback. Because if we go in its blue chip company, see what happened. Tesla's shorted 6%. Nvidia 1%. AMD almost 2%. We have a huge selling pressure happening. The SPY is going down. Yeah, the price we going down for the first time. Yeah, below the 400 now. We might see a test for the SPY around the 377. Yeah, we have a bit bearish momentum now for the SPY and the whole market. That's why all the market is kind of going down. Let me just put another level for the SPY in order to see if we have a reversal. So yeah, we got a huge pump down for the market. Huge wick. We're gonna have a continuation down because we broke this level, the $8.88. Let me just check how much we can do from here. 5%. Okay, we still holding for ONCS and TRKA. So TRKA is still in the middle, guys. So now is a bit risky. Here in the middle, between the 43 and the 49, still, as long as we hold this gap, is good for TRKA. We need to hold this above this level to have a reversal, then breaking toward the 55. Resistance 49.99. Already put my alert. ONCS looking good for a reversal from this bottom. Support should be here, $2.59. We already bounced from it. We already bounced from this level. Axilla, CDIO. Great bounce for CDIO. Okay. Let's see if we could actually, yeah, CDIO toward the $8.90. Yeah, we might see that $8.94. Let's sell half around the $8.94 for CDIO. $8.94 should hit right now for CDIO. Let's see, another pump. $8.30. $8.94 should be triggered here. This box should be tested. This is where we're gonna have a huge rejection and squeeze if we broke it. So we might see a test now. Yeah, let's break the $8.39. This is it. This will give us a test for the box. $8.36, 35. Let's see, 37, 40. Of course, now 94. Let's go to the 94. Okay, 94, 94. $8. This one is bumping on the low volume. 2.800. Okay, Axilla have a struggle. ONC. This one testing again the support. Wow, so we have two tests for the support from down. Okay, CDIO have a bit of rejection in 1 minute around the $8.36. $8.14. Okay, big seller. We have big seller here around the $8.40. Big seller. Okay, big seller, but still holding. Let me just check level 2. $8. Yeah, big seller. Let me just take a bit of profit here. Okay, big seller, of course, around this level, $8.35. We'll see if we hold the $6. We're gonna see a box testing for this box. As long as we hold the $6.58 is good for testing for this box. Already have my alert around this first profit taken, the $8.94. LHDX is still dumping down. I don't like it. So for LHDX, I will come back to it if we broke the 89. Now we might see a continuation for this continuation down for this selling pressure. So I will just forget about it at the moment. This one as well got shorted. MTS got shorted as well. I will take it from the list. CDIO have a struggle. We have a struggle. Axilla coming back. TRKA coming back. ONCS doing all right. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? CDIO. CDIO have a bit of struggle. Yeah, have a bit struggle. I don't like this test here and rejection. We might see a dump down now. I'm breaking the $6.58. Yeah, but we're still holding the $6.58. It's good. As long as we hold this level is good. But I'm gonna close the trade. Anyway, let me just take this off. I'll just close the trade. Okay. Let's see Axilla. Axilla is doing all right. $49. TRKA doing all right. Yeah, TRKA is pumping. Okay, we'll add some position for TRKA. TRKA added some position here. Let's see a pump toward the 55. TRKA toward the 55. Let me just put alert. First profit taken. Axilla, TRKA, ONCS. Okay, so TRKA and Axilla looking good. So TRKA pumping, 55, first profit taken. We broke from the 49. Now we're gonna go toward the 55. Let's go. Let's go, 51. TRKA looking good, guys. TRKA looking good. TRKA looking juicy. Okay, pulling back. Okay, we need to hold the 49. Let's go on the level 2 data and see what's going on. Okay, we see still there's buying pressure. 52, 55, 53, 54. Okay, 700 around the 50. Someone selling 900. There is a huge pressure happening after this pullback. As long as we hold the 49 would be good for continuation for TRKA. Would be really good if we held the 49 as a support. ABNB is getting shorted. $51, $51.50. Wow, 1,000K. Someone sold big time around the 52. Yeah, we have a bit of struggle around the 52. $2,000 now. There is buying pressure. As we said, as long as we hold the 49, we're gonna have a continuation. Let's see a breaking for 52 now. The 52 is the little resistant to break, to have a breakout. We need another breakout around the 52. Let's see Axilla. Axilla doing right. And then Swan, we're gonna dump down. Okay, Axilla is doing all right. We're gonna have the test for the 76. And TRK going back a bit. We're gonna have a hold. We need to bounce. We need to bounce here. Okay. This is really dicey now. This is really dicey. We need to have a hold up. I don't like it if we actually broke down here. Yeah, we need to hold up. We need to have a take back. We need to have a pullback now. Let's bring our holy water. Let's bring our holy water to bring the price up. $22 volume for TRKA. Axilla is about to test the 76. TRKA, what's gonna be? We need to pull back now. We have our test. You see? We have our test. We need to have a pullback now. We have big pump now. This is it. No fooling around here. This area is really critical. We don't want to fool around here. We need to fly. We need to fly it and test the 55, at least the 55. The 49 was a critical level to break. We don't want to have a pullback once again. Holding about the 50 cents is really critical for TRKA to pump. 12%. This is nothing for TRKA. We need to have another pump. Another 7% at least. Is doable. Is doable for TRKA. We need to clear the 52. Once we clear 52, we're gonna have another pump. 53.50, then the 55. A big seller around the 42. Around the 52. Yeah, still there. The seller is still there, man. The seller is still adding some position around the 51.33. So yeah, there is some seller here. There's some seller here, man. 52, yeah. Still there. I can see them. Short, have to cover here. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see this. Oh man, you see what's happened here? I don't like it. Now I don't like it now. Now I don't like it. You see what's happened to 52? They didn't even test it. This is dicey. The 50 here should hold. If we break it, it's a bit dicey. Still holding. I don't like this kind of reaction, man. Once we pump from the 49, we should actually clear it. We don't have to test it twice, you know, because the seller is still there around the 52. But we're still holding the 49, so this is good. But this is not the good setup, you know. It's not the perfect trade. Because the good trade is breaking the level of resistance without retesting. Now we tested twice. Is a bit weakness. This means someone's still shorting. As we said, the 52 is now a critical level to break. Let's go. Now or never. Now or never. We need to break it now. TRKA is about to break the 52 now. There is no game here. 52 have to clear now. Now, now, now. Not tomorrow, not even after a few minutes, now. We need to clear it now to break this level and have a follow-up toward the 55. Let's go. 51.34, 51.32, going down once again. Oh man. Patience. That's the idea. You can actually force the stock to go any place until it's ready, you know. The right volume, the right buyer, the right position. There's a lot of factors we can actually control in trading. We have to wait and watch. Wait and watch and see what's gonna happen. Really interesting here. Really interesting. We have a struggle to continue to go higher. You see, this is not good here. Not good. Still struggling. Axilla doing alright. Still holding above the support. ONCS and CDIO. I really want this one to go back down around here. $5.22 to buy this dip because we already sold this one after this rejection around at $8.30. I don't like it. That's why we get out. It's risky. And this one is dicey, man. Still dicey. 52 is the short seller here. There's another short seller. Add some position. That's why the price right now gonna break the 49, man. 49, the third time it's gonna break it. Yeah, we're still holding. So this is it now. The price is tight now. The price is really holding between a huge seller around the 52 and a huge buyer around the 49, above the 59. So this area is critical now for TRKA to have another pump up or down. This is it now. We have a little box. Little bucks. Let's see breaking for those bucks from above, hopefully. TRKA testing our patience. TRKA testing our patience. Tesla is like a penny stock. Oh man, you're right about this. Okay, TRK is ready. Yeah, now. Yes, finally. Okay, TRK, we could actually take a bit of profit. Not now. Okay. Let's go to the 55 first. We held perfectly above the 49 as we said. This is perfect hold up. As we said, if we hold the 49, we're gonna have a pump. 52. Now the short have to cover. Now we have to go toward the 55. Let's go. Exactly. Yes, let's go. Now we need to 55. 55 have to hit right now. First profit taken. We're really close. 33, 34, 54. Let's see the 54, 55. 54, 55. Just 1 cent. Come on. 53. Yes. 54. We saw the 54. Yeah. Let's go. 55. Let's go in the smaller picture and seconds. See the action, the algo. There's algo trading here. Wow. So we are on the 10 seconds. There's too much action in 10 seconds. We need another pump toward the 55. When you change from the minutes to seconds, you get really FOMO, because you see the price action going up and down fast. So sometimes when I watch the minute and then I change to the seconds, I will be really scared because I see like big red candle forming and it's not big in a big time frame. So you have to be extremely careful when you change the time frame, okay? So you don't get scared when you see a huge selling pressure. Okay, we have another accumulation here. We're gonna have another pump after we clear it. The 53.80, we're gonna have another pump toward the 55. We have accumulation here and the price bump. You see, we have two accumulation. So we have two accumulation, price bump. This is the second accumulation. We're gonna have another pump toward the 55. Let's go. We need to break this circle. We need to break up here toward the 55, toward our first profit taken. Okay, we're gonna break now. Let's go. Okay. New high, perfect. Yeah. Let's hold. There's someone selling still a new high around the 53.90 before the 44. 54, yeah. And now we have a selling pressure. 54. Not the 55, but the 54. Now we back in the circle. Okay, we have a selling pressure now. Whoa, What's going on? Yeah, we have a pullback now. Someone's bought again around the 52. We need the 55, people. We need the 55 for TRKA. Because we already hold above the 49. This is good. Another hold up here. Let's see, a hold up, then a pump. We need to pump from this circle. We need to pump from this accumulation area. You see here? Someone is selling. That's why the price is holding up in the midway. Yeah, TRK is still heavily shorted. That's why we getting shorted even after this pump. You know what the ape of AMC saying? We're not leaving. I really like watching some ape trading, you know. When they buy ape or any stock, they just buy and close their account and they sleep. And they just hold, you know. They just yellow. They don't know any technical, no support, no strategy. Just buy and hold. Sometimes it's kind of worked if you catch the unicorn like Amazon or something and hold it for 10 years. Yeah. But sometimes it's backfired, you know. But that's why this strategy can actually make it for every investment career that you do, or for any stock that you actually trade. So it is not good. It's not good strategy. Maybe it's good strategy for investment if you want to hold for a long. At the same time, you buy a growth stock, you know, blue chip company. You buy and hold and you average down if the price actually going down, you know. Strategic averaging down. TRKA have a pullback but is still holding. This is normal. This is normal. We're gonna have a test for the 55. We're waiting for the test for the 55, then the 58. Yeah. Axilla have a bit of accumulation below this resistance. ONCS is not ready yet to take over or to take off. We might see a taking off for this rocket around the $2.93, but not now. $2.93, but not now. We might see a good trade here, guys. $2.93 for this one toward the $3.65. Oh boy, this one will be a rocket. CDIO is still holding. This one is really still holding. TRKA still holding. TRKA, we waiting for another pump. TRKA, another pump. 55, we need the 55 now. Let's drink my holy water, because when we drink our holy water, the price bumped from this bottom. Now we need another pump from this accumulation toward the 55. So let us drink our holy water. Will be easier if everybody drink holy water with me. It's like give us some power over insiders and market maker, because market maker have power over us. They have big black boxes data and have a lot of things we don't know. Of course, price jump. Yeah, let's drink holy water right now. Price jump. Oh man, we should drink holy water every day. We don't need algo trading or black boxes, just holy water. Okay, new high. No, we didn't have a new high. The new high is around the 54. We got rejected below it. We need the 54. Yeah, the 54. ONCS. Oh man, sold off. Bye bye. Gone, baby, gone. You know this film? Okay, this is translate for this stock. Gone, baby, gone. This one is gone, baby. Is gone, baby. It's going to the depth. I'm gonna take it from the list. Wow, we just have three stocks to watch out for. CDIO, Axilla, and TRKA. TRKA is about to pump toward. Oh, we already pumped toward the 54. Oh man, we got rejected just below our profit taken. 54.50. Just few cents. So we need to hold, man. Let's put alert here just in case if we got sold off. And another alert around the 55. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Aha, we're gonna hit it now. Okay. TRKA. Axilla, we didn't enter for this trade. Okay, this one 53.50, 53.80. Okay, we could actually put sell limit order around the 55. Let's see. We have a bit of struggle here. Okay, TRKA is going toward the 55, guys. TRKA is going toward the 55. Let's see it. Axilla is still holding. %41 for Axilla. Wow, we have a pullback now for TRKA. Huge pullback. Okay, huge fight. Still fighting. Going back. Okay, Axilla looking good. Axilla for the test for the 76. This is a squeeze, guy. This is a squeeze and a resistant area. Just watch out, okay? Squeeze and a resistant. You know what? Why we said squeeze? Because we might see a huge pump after we clear it. Now we preparing for TRKA. For Axilla, TRKA is going down. Yeah, we have a test here and rejection. But we're still holding this accumulation area. I don't like it if we go back toward the 49 again. It's a weakness. We need to pump over the 55 and then hold and continue to go higher. This is a good reaction. This is what I want to see. It is holding this circle here, this accumulation, pumping from the 55 and continue toward the 58. This is the good reaction for TRK. Not going toward the 49. It's not sell off, of course. We're going to consolidate here, but I don't like it. It's weakness. Here, holding above this level, 52, breaking the 55, good reaction. Other than that, there is no in between. You know, in trading you have this or that. Yeah, we went until the 54.50. This is really tight. I'm telling you guys, it's really tight. Axilla looking pretty nice. TRKA is fighting the fight of their life. Still holding. 53, 53, 25, 27, 29. Need the 54 once again. We need the 54 break. Yeah, we're gonna break now. We're gonna break. Okay, we're gonna go back down then. Yeah, we're gonna go back down. So this is the test then. 54.50. Sneaky bastards. Sneaky bastards. It's like they heard our live streaming, you know? When we said 55 profit taken, the short just shorted around the 54.50, you know? Oh, sneaky bastards. However, we're still holding the 49, so we might see another test. But wait a second, let me just check. The 51 now. Yeah, 51.14. Would be better if we held this level. Not the 49. The 49 is still our bottom, our support. So this is still our support. We're still in clear as long as we hold above this level. 49 is our level of breakout. 54.50, yeah, this level. Let me just go to Axilla. Axilla, what's going on? Axilla. Axilla is kind of tricky. We should have actually went there, man. If we went there and accumulated below this level, would be great. But we're accumulating just below it. There's something tricky here. TRKA still holding. TRKA trying to break again. Try to test this level. Axilla's doing all right. Let's see if we have another support for Axilla around this area. Yeah, we got a support, all right. TRKA is still holding. Exactly. TRKA is still holding. We need to break this level to have another pump. 54 toward the 58. Patience is a key still. We have a wick here. Someone bought this critical area, the 51. Price bought back, going higher toward the 54 once again. 71 worth of volume for TRKA. We have interesting play for TRKA. We might see a continuation. Already put alert from down and below. Wherever the price will go, we're gonna hunt it. Wherever the price will go, we're gonna hunt it down. Every second count, guys. Every second count in the market. There's quants, there's black, there's where's second we got, yeah. We got Blackpool and algo trading, and there's a huge fight happening in the market, guys. Just remember, everybody is hunting for everybody. It's kind of battleground right now. I see like a huge jungle, hyena, people trying to eat some gazelle, and the gazelle is running, and we try to hunt one gazelle, and there's many lions, you know. Imagine, we have one gazelle, which is TRKA, and been hunted by every lion in the jungle. And we are the hyena, you know, we're not even the lions. We are just try to eat the what left over, you know. Oh man, TRKA is bumping, TRKA is pumping, TRKA is pumping. 54, we might see a pump from the 54 now. 54, yeah. We accumulated now. We accumulated. We're ready to pump. TRKA ready to pump now. Okay. Last seller is hiding here, as we said. Last seller is hiding here. The last seller is still hiding. This sneaky bastard. Still hiding here, man. Look, still hiding here. But you know what's gonna happen to him? He's gonna lose his shirt. He's gonna lose his shirt right now. If we pump from the 54.50, he's gonna lose his shirt, his clothes, his shoes, everything. If we pump from this level, 53.90, 54. Oh man, he's still shorting. Another 400, 200. He's still shorting. 200 position on this level. Yeah, we got huge fight, guys. Huge fight. 53.90, 53.94, 54.09. Yeah, we're still fighting, man. What's going on here? What's cooking? Oh man, this is it, guys. This is it. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go. Let's go now. Let's go now. TRKA is running, guys. TRKA is gonna do big time. We have another pump. This is good. Another pump. Great. Great. Could actually take a bit of profit here around the 55. Okay. Let's take a bit of profit here. Let's see. We're still testing 55. We're ready to test the 55, guys. 54.88. I'll take a bit off the table here. Take a bit. Nobody got taking profit. But you have to be strategic, of course. When you take profit, be strategic. We already added up here around this breakout. It was a great trade for us. We held it perfectly, as we said. This is a really good support. And guess what? The price pump. Then the price got rejected. And when we went down, what we said, we need to hold above the 49 to confirm we don't have a sell-off. The price bought back before it. Good sign of strength. Then the price pump once again. Finally, we hit the 55. Now we're still holding. This is good. We're holding above the 54. We have to have a continuation now toward the 58. Second profit taken. Let's go. Let's go toward the 58. 55. Now we see in the 55. Okay, we might have a trade for Axilla, but not now. TRK looking juicy. TRK looking really good. Let's see a continuation toward the 58. Come on, we don't want to see a rejection now. Yeah, we tested the 55 and the price got rejected, but we need to hold. Let me just bring my line here. Yeah, we need to hold. So we already tested the 55 and got rejected. Yeah, so the 55 is still our resistance and profit taking. Yeah, so the 55 profit taken and rejection. Okay, we need to hold. We need to hold. Doing higher lows or lower highs. We have accumulation here, price got up, accumulation here. Now we need to pump and accumulate up here. TRKA on the 1 minute chart. Troika Media Group. Oh man, what's going on? So yeah, the 55 is the profit taken. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, 10%. Not bad. We can do more. We can do more. We already did more before in other trades. We already did 16% and 50%. As you can see here from our trading gain, we already did for TRKA yesterday 10%. And the other one, CDIO, it was really good trade, 26. Yeah, the other one is really good, is LHDX. Now it's dumping down. That's why I always suggest to take profit, you see. We took almost 35% on the way up, even on the delisting problem. But we don't care because the price is going up and the time being, and we don't hold it overnight. That's why we suggest never actually hold overnight, buy and sell in the same day, which called is day trading. Now TRKA, we're still hunting for it. As we said, 10% is good, but we could actually do better. We don't have to be greedy, of course, but always to be better trader is to try to outperform yourself every time. So for TRKA, we could actually do more than 10%, at least maybe 16 and 20%. But now is the 55 is the struggle to overcome. Yeah, the 55, brother. The 55 was the first time we said it's the profit taking over there. Yeah, the 55. Let's overcome the 55 first to have a continuation toward the 58. Let's see this. Yeah, we might see a break now. We need to be patient with TRKA. CDIO, yeah, CDIO gonna break, guys. CDIO, as we said, that's why we sold it. You see this what happened here? Huge wick, I don't like it. We sold here and the price went down and will continue to go down, of course, around the 5.22. And this alert will be triggered, of course. I'll just show you here. I will lower it down here, $6.46. I will let it be. And guess what? After a few minutes, we're gonna have a break for this level. Boom. And we're gonna get alerted. Not now, of course, but we're gonna get alerted. Now we have to watch for TRKA because the price is about to break the 55 and go toward the 58. Yeah, TRKA, main watch list for today. TRKA. TRKA is still testing the 55. For the people who are wondering for TRKA, where the support is still around the 49. Just watch out for the 49, okay? TRKA is pretty volatile. That's why we have to have a wider stop loss. 49 should be our support and stop loss actually. We already hold it really good when we entered here. You see what happened? When we entered around this breakout, we entered around this area, you see? The price actually went down and tested this our support so many times, 1, 2, 3. And we said we might break it, but we didn't. And we held and we gapped up. So that's why we said this is our support. We held it perfectly and now continue to go higher. So doing good. We're gonna break the 55 now. We have to break it now. 55, break it now. The other support that we should watch out for is the 51.80. So yeah, here we have another support, 51.65, near support. Breakout zone now is the 55, not profit taken because we already took profit here. 55 should be our breakout zone for TRKA to go toward the 58. If we want to have a continuation for this stock, we need to hold this and break this. Simple as that. But we need to be patient, guys. You see what's happened here? Accumulation, 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 bump. Accumulation, accumulation, accumulation. A lot of people got trapped here. Then pump. You see this trap? This is bear trap, not bull trap. What's mean bear trap? Is mean when the price actually break the support, a lot of people get afraid and sold. And they sell their position. After they sell their position, boom, the price pump up. So be careful. This is where a lot of new traders get angry, you know, because once they get out from the trade, they enter on the top here. Okay, so this is kind of the bear trap. The bull trap in the opposite. When the price go up and you buy at the top, and the price again pulling back, and you get cut buying at the top and big as people call it, a big bag. We don't want to see this happen to you. TRKA, yes, another pump. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. TRKA, let's go. Here we tried another high around the 5.5. Let's break it. Yeah, this is the 5.5. Let's break it. The last time high, yeah, we went there and we got rejected. Now we're pumping. Perfect. Let's go. 56. Let's see a 56. Give me 56. Come on. Let's drink my holy water. Come on, man. We need holy water to bring this price toward the 58. Come on. We don't have to joke here. This is really serious now. TRKA need another power to overcome this resistance, because we use our holy water here and the price actually held. Our holy water helped us come back to the selling pressure from the short, and the price went up. Now we need to drink another holy water to bring this price up toward the 58. Okay, let's drink. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Okay, 56. 57. Let's see 57. Let's see 57 and 58. Come on. This will be beautiful if we see the 58. Will be beautiful trade. 56. Come on, we need to have a pull toward the 57 at least. We need a 57. We went until the 56. We need a 57. Yeah, come on, 57, come on. 56.80. Okay, the short come in a bit, but no, it's not yet. 57, great. We need 57.50. Come on. Okay, let me just take a bit of profit here. Okay, perfect. Let's see a continuation. 58. Always take profit on the way, guys. Remember that. This stock is pretty volatile. Don't get greedy. Profit is profit. Let's see. 58. Okay, perfect. Let's go. 58. We need the 58. Okay, we need the 58. Let me just put alert here around the 49, just in case. And another alert around the 58. Always put alert. You don't know what's gonna happen if we might have a sell-off or a big short will come. Everything goes, okay? Everything goes. This is the market. That's why we suggest always take profit on the way. You see what's happened here? We have a selling pressure before even the profit taken. Because if we go in the order book here, we can see some short coming in. Yeah. Buyers now 300. Okay, not bad. 300, 100. Okay. Big buyers, or the 55. This is good. Is this gonna give us the 58? This would be great. Now 58 would be great. Accumulation here. Okay, we need a pump toward the 58. 57. Wow, big buyer, 5,000 shares around the 57. Aha, now we have to see the 57.50 at least. 23% now for TRKA. Still watching. Okay, we need to hold the 55. We need to hold the 55 to go to the 58. Accumulation and another pump. This would be great technical for us. Great hunt for us toward the 58. We need to hold the 58 and never break into 55. This will give us a great stop loss and at least trailing stop. As everybody knows, trailing stop is taking your stop from the 49 and make it high, okay, around the 55. Depends on when you enter. So if you entered here with us, you put your stop loss above around the 55. So you don't have to lose. You already secured 10% profit. You never lose. This is really important. But you have to be strategic where you put your stop loss. Okay, 57. We're going toward the 58 now. 58, come on, let's give us the 58. Market maker, come on, give us the 58. TRK 58, come on. 5660, 5670. Something about to happen for TRKA. We are in midway between the profit taken and the support here, 55. We are in the midway. I'm not leaving until we see this triggered. We're not leaving until we see the 58 triggered. Okay, now we're gonna go toward the 58. Yes, 58. Let's go. Finally. We fueled up now toward the 58. TRKA is still holding, accumulating. There's something about to happen. The target is here. The price is still loading up. The price is still loading up here. Then we're gonna go here. Retest the support, the 55. How everybody doing? How everybody doing? Let's do a poll and see if someone is red or let's see let's see if you're red or green in the day right now. Let's see. Let's see the community. Let's go. It's great. So we have more green in the house. Let's go. We be more greener if you actually hunted with us TRKA, because we already entered around this level. Great bounce from this level, and price is still continue to go higher. We'll be more in green if we hit the 58. Still waiting. The 55 is still our current support. Resistant and profit taking is 58.70. We're still in the midway. There's a huge selling pressure happening in accumulation. So this is a turning point actually. If we accumulate it, we held it above the 55, we're gonna see a bump. If we accumulated and dumped down below the 55, I don't like it. It means we're gonna have a huge pullback down again around the 51. So be careful. This is it now. We need to hold, accumulate, pump once again. Whoa! Look what happened. A huge test for TRKA for the 55 and a huge wick. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Big time. A huge wick. Okay, this is a warning sign. Oh man, someone bought heavily here. Let me just bring my level 2 data here. Oh boy, who bought here? As we said, the 55 is our support. You see what happened here? We might see a squeeze now, because this is kind of teasing, you know. When we have this wick, it's kind of confirmation that someone bought heavily, and now we're gonna have a pump. Let's go. This is it. This is it. 57. Yeah. We have a squeeze. 58. Of course, because we bounced from the 58. 57.90. Okay, this is good. This is really, really good. Let's see another bounce. Wow, we have a huge dump down, but we held it perfectly. We didn't even stay 1 second. We didn't stay even 10 seconds down. You see what happened? Crazy, man. This is really crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy price action. Come on, come on. We need to hit it. We hit the 57.90. Just few cents from the 58. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out now. We don't want to have it go back now around the 55. We might see a sell-off. Okay, we might see a sell-off if we broke the 55 this time. I don't like it. No price go below here. Watch out, guys. This is it. This is really decisive moment now. We might see a huge selling pressure now. Watch out. I don't like this wick. There's someone sold heavily here. As long as we hold the 55, we're clear. We're gonna go higher. The short will be squeezed. This is a good reaction. You see what's happened here? A huge wick. So next time if we visit it, is not good. It's not really looking good if we did that. Great, we have almost 67 people said they are in green. Great, great, great to hear. Okay. TRKA, we might see a sell-off now. Just be careful, guys. We might see a sell-off now. If we broke the 55. Yeah, we're gonna have a huge dump now. We already get near the second profit taken. That's why we got rejected. Price might break now. Just be careful, guys. 55. We might break it now. Just be careful. We just had the test here. We just had a test. But the next time will be not a test. Will be a huge selling pressure around the 51. Yeah, around the 51. This is it. Really, this is it for TRKA. 51.90. Yeah, we might see a selling pressure now. Just be careful. That's why we always suggest to take a profit on the way. We're still holding. Yeah, we're breaking now. We're breaking now. Yeah, we're breaking. Yeah, we're breaking. Yeah. Not good, not good. Not good, not good. So we got near our profit taken here, the 58. We hit the 57.99. Imagine, guys, 57.99. So we got rejected just right below the profit taken, the 58. So we got rejected around the 57.99. Please tell me at what price got rejected at for your brokerage account, because everybody is different, you know. It's just by a few cents. Maybe at your brokerage account we hit the 58. Just let me know in comment section. Because at here on TradingView we have the 57.95 for me. 57.95. Okay, everybody hit the 58. This is good. This is good. So yeah, we hit around our profit taken then, 58. Now it's 51, we're gonna have a reversal there. Yeah, this is the support, guys. Now we have the support here. Should be the support, a reversal area here, and a resistance is around the 55 now. So yeah, we had the kind of the profit taken for many people. That's why we got rejected, the second profit taken. 55 is the first profit taken, I think. We hit the first profit taken around the 55. Yeah, 54, 55, yeah. And then we broke. We went around the second profit taken. Price got rejected. Classic, man. Classic. Classical. Okay, price is diving toward the 51.90. Okay, we need to hold this area to have a reversal and test for the 55 resistance. If we got rejected, it means continue to go down. If we reverse and break the 55, it means a squeeze and continue to go higher. Axilla, what's going on? Axilla still holding. Axilla looking good. Axilla looking good, but as everybody said, yeah, Axilla always have this reputation of pumping and dumping, you know. So a lot of people don't trust it anymore. So I can understand that, because if you go in the big picture, look what's happened, man. This is really scary. Really, man, really scary. Look at this. Look at this, man. From the 48 until now, we down 83%. If we go back again from this pump, you see a lot of people bought around the 3 and we dumped after that almost 90%. Then we have this pump. Look, we have this pump, boom, then dump. Wow, man, this one is crazy. Axilla is really cut a lot of souls. So there's a lot of souls here. There's a lot of spirits, a lot of people dying here, just to wait to go back and breaking even. They are in hell, in depth of the depths. You'll see what's happened here. A lot of people went to heaven here. A lot of people went to heaven and imagine Lamborghini, and the price will go to, I don't know, 1,000. So the price went from the 14 until 150. And guess what happened, man? After that, from the 160, boom. You see this big dive down? That's why I don't say averaging down. Never average down. Never do it in your life. With those stocks, at least. Those stocks you enter and exit. Hunter ways trading, those stocks you can make a lot of money. But you have to admit sometimes you're wrong. You get cut at the top. You get out early, fast. Take the loss. Like 5%, 10% is better than 90% of your money. And live another day, you know. So there's always opportunity. See, now it's pumping, you get in around this pump. You see what's happened? There's a huge opportunity to make here, because the price is still pumping. There's liquidity, there's opportunity to make. But when the fuel get off from the rocket will fall down, except if the rocket is made in Tesla, okay, with the SpaceX, of course, we'll go back down and use it once again. But just take it as an analogy. So if the rocket go up, the fuel finishes, the rocket will fall in earth and disappear and it's destroyed. So the same as for stocks. A lot of stocks go up with the fuel. Fuel will be worn out and there's no energy. If you're lucky, like AMC sometimes or GameStop, there's a secondary rocket attached to this rocket. So this rocket might be going to the moon if we have 5 rockets in one rocket, you know. The first rocket use the this energy to escape gravity. The second rocket will actually like to escape the gravitation pull for this the third stratosphere. Then the other second and or the last rocket will give you a push to the moon. So if you're lucky, you have a stock who have 5 rockets attached to it. Sometimes, like Axilla, usually it go to the first stratosphere, then the rocket die, and the rocket actually go back to Earth and be destroyed, and you be inside the rocket. This would be a bad, if you don't have a parachute, it would be really bad. Parachute is mean risk management. But the good thing is to have a stock that actually give you a push outside Earth. Then you have you be in orbit around the Earth. You be like a satellite. It means you be a billionaire or a millionaire. It's like you be set for life. This is only happen if you have traded some stocks and have kind of a good push to get out from the gravitation pull from the Earth. Then you be an orbital. So the millionaires and billionaires, not even millionaires, but the billionaires, those found the secret to find those kind of stocks, and not just like Axilla and meme stocks, but growth stocks that actually give them this kind of power to be in orbit. So if you be in an orbit, you don't need energy anymore. You just go you need the first push, then you're gonna have kind of you be in like a satellite. You just be in orbit around the Earth, so you don't need to escape the gravitation pull of Earth, because you're already in balance between the gravitation pull of the Earth and like that's why we have like you be in free fall, you know, so you don't need any energy anymore to escape the gravitation pull of the Earth. Okay, we got really so deep in this, and we went to the astrophysics, but I like this kind of things, you know, to use analogy from stocks and put it with the astrophysics and something like this. It's kind of everything's related, you know. Everything's related. Everything. I mean everything. It's like water is, as we said, is the fuel of life. At the same time, water, you can actually resemble it to the volume of the stock. You know, if we don't have volume for stock, you don't have water for the planet. It's the same. It's the life for the stock. And if we go back to TRKA, look what happened. 51, we went until the 52, and the price pulled back. As we said, here is the support. We have to hold, people, we have to hold. Great. Many of you took profit on TRKA. Great. Always take profit, as we said. Around the 56 here, it was a really good profit taken before the sell-off. Really good, because we had kind of the profit taken around the 58. Always take a profit on the way. Then reload around the bottom price. As we said, the 51 should be the support. You know what? Let me just show you what I mean by support. So TRKA already tested the 49 and we bounced, and the 51.94. So now we need to hold this area to have a pump. Oh man, we pumping now. Great, a huge pump. Let's see a test now. 55, 55, 55. This is a resistance, guys. If we broke it, it would be really good. If we didn't break it, it's not good, and we're gonna have a break for 51 once again. It's not good. It's not good. This is it. This is it, people. This is it. 51, the 55, I mean, is the resistance now for TRKA. What excitement, man. We're already 2 hours from our live streaming, and it went fast because today we have a huge action. I don't feel it. Sometimes we have a boring market, you know. It's like I check the hours, like, oh man, still just 1 hour, and now we have already passed 2 hours, and it went like this because we have action. Okay, TRKA 55 test. What's gonna be? Are we gonna break it? We already have a bounce, really great bounce for 51. We already did 5% from this bottom price. As we said, the 51 is our bottom. Resistance is 55. If we break it, we're gonna have a continuation toward the 58 and beyond. Oh brother, what's gonna be? Should we bring our holy water? Oh man, I don't have. It's finished, man. I don't have holy water. It's finished officially. That's why TRKA can't break the 55 now. See what's happened? Because our holy water is finished. Okay, AMC hit our level. AMC. Oh man, I don't like this. Breaking the $5.94. AMC is getting shorted, guys. Big time. Let me just check. Yeah, the $5.92. Already we tested our support. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna lower this alert around this level, $6.48. I'm gonna do another alert. We might see a huge dip, so we never miss this dip. Yeah, around this level, around the $5.50. We'll see. I learned my lesson before. You see what's happened? Guys? Red candle forming around the resistance. So this is it now. TRKA is pulling back. As we said, the 55 is the resistance. We need to break it. Unfortunately, guys, we don't have holy water anymore to help us to push the price up. We have just a bit here in my cup. I don't know if it will be enough to break this level. Axilla is breaking down, man. Axilla is breaking down. We have a huge accumulation. Price broke down. The price gave up. So the market is pulling back now. Be careful, guys. The market is pulling back. So we're still holding the 59 for Axilla. If we don't want to have a sell-off, we need to hold above the 59. If we don't want to have a sell-off for Axilla, just be careful. 59 should be our reversal. Otherwise, we're gonna have a sell-off. We didn't have the squeeze. You see what happened? 0.076 is our squeeze. We didn't have it. TRKA still have a try to break this level, the 55. We might see a break now. TRKA try to break this level. No. Axilla didn't crash yet, guys. Axilla didn't crash yet. But still holding the 59. TRKA is still holding as well. We have just pulled back, guys. This is a pullback. Everybody knows the pullback is normal. Always happen in the market. Something is cooking for TRKA. LHDX. What's going on? 24% down. Yeah, still we have yeah, 42 as a bottom. Now we broke even this support, so the 42 as a bottom, otherwise sell a huge short attack, confirmed short attack. 89 is still our resistance, so we're gonna see a pullback a bit around the 42.70 here. This should be a support or a bottom, because if we broke this, is mean a game over, is mean really game over. Okay, just watch out. 42.79, we should have a reversal at least around the 59 and the 73. So I will lower this level to get alerted to see this reaction, maybe in a power hour, and watch TRKA. There's a potential pump right now from our level, the 55. A turning point for TRKA, actually turning point. If we get rejected here and never break this level, is on the downside. We're gonna have the 49 once again, which is the bottom for today. The 55 is the turning point. The 51.90 is the support. This is it. We have a really tight area here. There is no in between. The price can't go anywhere. It can't go sideways forever, you know. So we have a trap from above and a trap from below. That's why we call it hunting here. We always have a hunter area. You see this trap? You see this dotted orange line? This is a trap. This is like, think of it as like the stock here. This is birds, you know, bouncing back up and down. And this is a laser, kind of electric laser. If the bird go there, he will be teased, you know, and will be down. And we can catch the bird. If the bird went down here, it will be teased and we're gonna catch it. Boom! Will be like unconscious, you know, and we're gonna catch the bird. So you don't have to catch the bird flying in between, because it's flying. You can actually catch a bird while flying, but you have to put a trap for the bird, eat the bird like some snacks, or I don't know, some bread, whatever bird eating those days, maybe, I don't know. Then catch it when it's distracted, like eating something or getting inside something. This is the easy way to like catch a bird, but not just like running around the bird. You can actually fly, you know. Even if you fly, it's really hard. You lose a lot of energy. So this is why we call it a trap, and we call it hunting, because we have this alert. You see here, the price went down now. You see, that's why we don't suggest to get FOMO and buy around this resistance. Birds like toast. Oh man, I think you are a professional. David is professional at catching birds. He said if you want to catch a bird, you just give them toast or worms. Interesting. Come on, like even Asian people like worms. You might catch Asian people in your trap. Because Asian people like worms. I don't know what's kind of tradition. A lot of people eating worms these days. It's really healthy, by the way. Yeah, it's kind of head and shoulders. Yeah, this is the shoulders, this is the head, and this is the shoulders. Yeah, it's kind of head and shoulder pattern. Yeah, it's kind of bearish now. Yeah, you're right. This kind of pattern here. This is the shoulders, guys, and this is the head, and this is the shoulders, and the price is going down. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Prefer steak. Okay, guys, we're gonna do chart update for TRKA. Watch out if we broke this support around the 49. We're gonna update the support. If we broke the 55 after we finish our live streaming, we're gonna do chart analysis update here on the day trade. Okay, we have swing trade channel and day trade channel on our Discord channel. For day trade channel, we already did for CDIO yesterday and TRKA when we hunted from this breakout zone. You see here, and we set the squeeze around the 47. That's why we actually took profit for the TRKA before the market closed, As we always suggest, always take profit. So 10%, and today we did almost 20% after this profit taken. So we're gonna do a short analysis for TRKA here on Discord, and of course on our Patreon, because we do both, okay? Because some people prefer Patreon and Discord. And we're gonna do a video update on 8 p.m. CET. Stay tuned for that, for when we did yesterday for stock have potential to squeeze for tomorrow market on Friday. And of course, we're gonna do live streaming around 8 p.m. No, not 8 p.m., but 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Of course. And if you want to buy my shirts, you can now on the store down below. I got a lot of questions from you, like a lot of you liking my shirt. So already actually printed a lot of them. There's a lot of you can choose from t-shirt or whatever, like pullover or so you can actually choose in the store. And of course tomorrow we're gonna do a pre-market update for a lot of stock that had potential to squeeze. Maybe TRK once again will pump and have a huge pre-market gap. And of course, we're gonna do update for Axilla because it's getting near this bottom. Be careful. 59 is the bottom. We're gonna do update if we clear the 76. Short update, of course, because we'll be faster for entry and exit, like we did yesterday with TRKA. If we clear the 76 in the power hour, we're gonna do short update. And even for pre-market update tomorrow if we gapped over it. And of course, please don't rely on any scammers on YouTube section. So please, if you have any question how to join us in Hunter Tribe, you can ask me here on tradingjesus.contact@gmail.com. Okay. I will answer as soon as possible when you send me an email. Great hunt for today, guys. Great hunt for today. We're gonna hunt for tomorrow as well. TRK is going down, of course. Yeah, it's dumping down. So now we're gonna have a test for the 49, of course. So we have to update the support. 49. That's why we always suggest to take profit, guys. You see what's happened? The price went down. But the 49 should be the support on the bottom until the power hour to have a reversal. Here we should have accumulation, then continuation higher. This is area should hold, man. This is it, guys. TRK should hold above this level if we don't want to have a sell-off for today. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next update. Okay.